Here's a quick way to recycle your candles. See, I've cut it up. That was my desert agave. And I've just been collecting all of the candles that I've been using. So I just put it on here. If you have a double boiler, you can put it on there. But I just did it the quick way. Just set it on the stove and heated it up to melt it all down. The little tea candles, I just popped out the old ones that was left and just reused them. As you see, I still have like little single candles that I've gotten here from like all the candle shops and crystal shops. So all I did was melt it down, put a little bit in here, and then stuck the candle in there until it dried. And that's how you repurpose your candles. I'm going to add some nice seashells and stuff to it. Make it real nice, and you can add a drop of lavender or any of your favorite essential oils there. So that's a quick, easy tip how to reuse candles.